Hello. It's been a long time, I know. But I am super excited to make this video because I finally have time to do it because I am leaving my day job. Isn't that crazy? So after this Friday, woohoo, I will be making a little bit more videos. I've been really excited to make YouTube videos for a long time. I just never was able to sit down and fully focus on doing it. I was always just busy making paintings, and I'm so grateful I've been making paintings for this whole long time. So yeah, thank you to everyone that has supported me thus far on Instagram, Twitter, TikTok. Love you all. Anyway, so this video I'm gonna do is a little vloggy, a little hauly, a little painterly. I have a big haul of stuff that I'm getting, and yeah, maybe there'll be some slice of life stuff. So this girl is finally spreading her wings. We did it! Wow, the lighting is crazy right now. Sorry, fish night. I don't know how they got it in. Imagine my surprise to see so many boxes for how many notifications I got. I only got like one notification that I got a package, and then I got 6 boxes. There was actually not that much in the boxes at all. I got one pack of my watercolor paper that I always use, one sketchbook. I'm gonna try some protective permanent matte coating. This, I got some acrylic blocks to put on. I'm gonna test stamping stuff so that I can do some embossing stuff. These are colored embossing powders I want to try because I have a clear one and it was a lot more yellow than I was thinking. Art supplies. I'm gonna just keep saying the word. Slip like right. Mako, it's chewing paper for you! Yes! Yes. This was the crumbs of the crumb that I restocked on my schminky tubes of paint because I use these colors a lot. Ton of 0.3 leads and then some more colors. Mocha's like hidden behind my hair. It's so funny. And oh my gosh, paintbrushes! I'm gonna try these new ones that I got. I really like the Winsor & Newton Series 7s. I got a Da Vinci Castaneo. It's super small, size 0. I got this 1/4 inch angled shader. What's up? What does she want? You want pine nuts? Do you want a treat? Everybody, she wants a treat. How much do you want a treat? Look. Where's she going? Where are you going? Do you want... No, she wants it back at her cage. You want this one? Oh, she's gonna... Look at this. Anyway, angular shader. I love using these a lot. The one that I have is a lot more synthetic. This one feels a little bit more natural bristled, so we'll see how that works. I really like polychromos pencils, so I ordered a lot of restock so that I never have to ever think about not having enough colors ever again. Okay, so I'm really excited about this last package. These last 2 packages, actually. This is what I've been waiting for a while. So this company is called Beam Paints. Isn't that packaging so cute? They're indigenous, they're from Manitoulin, so they're Canadian as well. So the funny thing is I actually found out about this brand on Instagram. I looked and I saw that their location was Manitoulin, and I was like, didn't my mom go on like vacation on Manitoulin Island when I was little, and then my mom would always tell me a story about it? But basically it's very environmentally friendly. So they are handmade, light fast, artist quality pigments. Be safe, don't eat the paint, plastic free. That is so cute. Oh, there's like a sample color in here. That's so cute. I really wanted to try this. This is gouache paint that is filled into this birch tree puck, and they even like burned in their logo into the middle. I love the aesthetic of this. Okay, so this one I've been waiting for a very long time. It actually came just right at the perfect time because it's perfect for going outside. This company on Etsy called Beau Draw, and they're from Russia, I think. Pretty sure it's shipped from Russia. Ooh, whoa, look at that. I've never seen this kind of paper before for packaging. Wait, is the strap inside? Okay. Yeah. So this cute. Okay. Is a miniature palette. It's magnetic. You clip it together like this. It's so mini. Like you fill in these little wells here, and then this is your mixing tray. Ta-da! So basically you go out and you paint stuff here and you have your mixing thing here. So this is the other thing that I was really excited about. I'm supposed to put like a canvas thing in here, and so it holds it up for you. You have your paints here, and this is like a mixing palette, and you go outside and you can paint. So it comes with this cute little strap, and basically you close it up like this. Ooh, ooh, ooh. This is, wow, I literally got everything that I could ever need. This is cute. So I guess you can hold it too. Oh, this is supposed to be glued in here, I think. Wait, then how does that stay out? Oh, it's a magnet. It's not perfectly glued. I have my little painting pochette, my paintbrush, mix it in here, paint it on here. I could switch to my other materials. I could open this up, and this would theoretically be properly glued up here. Oh, I'm gonna continue painting. It's a little janky right now because things need to be re-glued into place, but ta-da! I closed it. I'm so nervous.
Hello. Okay.
Hi, hello. Whoa, it just went straight to red. Hello, hello. Yeah. Uninterrupted high energy content here at MAKOHOUSE. Al, wanna have dinner now? Hungry? Okay. Woohoo.